Okay guys, I'm servicing my bike at this valley assorted in, I don't know where is this, Damansara. I guess so. Kota Damansara. Okay. This is a 20,000 major service, so I changed this rock oil 1050 and changing the flushing the coolant water as well. This is the original one, original red color, but now I changed it to this ice cool rock oil blue color engine, high performance engine coolant. Okay, they are flushing the coolant. And what else I'm gonna change? The plugs, spark plugs, and the oil, the air filter element as well. Basically, that's a 20,000 major service. Okay, it's taking the side cover off in order to pour in the new coolant. Okay, this is a very clean workshop. It's only 1 month old. They have 3 service bay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it's pouring the coolant in. Okay, is installing back the tank, the coolant tank. Okay, he's removing the spark plug. Okay, can you see that? Spark plug. Removing the spark plug and to replace a new one every 20,000. I don't know. I guess so. I'm just following the schedule. Okay, he's removing it. Okay guys, so this is the spark plugs. Okay, after 20,000 of usage, 19,500 precisely. Code will be CPR9EA9. Okay, CPR9EA9. This is the OEM one. Okay, so I'll be replacing the same. This is by NGK-R. Okay, installing the spark plugs, iridium. This is the original plugs. Okay guys, this is the use air filter. You can see right, Bangkok and it's so dirty. So after 20,000 I change it to the new one. It's the back of it. Back still looks good, but the front be quiet here and there and it's dirty. Okay, all good to go, done. Đủ thành công hả? Nhá lập nó màu là màu to màu xíu là